Ladies and gentlemen, we are passing through a turbulent area and the captain has switched on the seatbelt sign. For your safety, please remain seated and fasten your seatbelt.
Alam mo, ginugel ko yung flight record tsaka history nitong eroplano na to. Okay naman, safe naman. Super safe, in fairness. Alam mo, pag natatakot ako, kinakausap ko yung sarili ko. Kasi nabasa ko, yun daw ang ginagawa ng mga athletes pampalakas ng loob nila. When life throws you lemons, make some lemonade. You're given this life because you're strong enough to live it. So be strong because things will get better. May be stormy now, but it never rains forever. And after the rain, the sun shines. There's always a rainbow after every rain. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Pretty Wendy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Oh, di ba effective? Oh, okay ka na.
Yeah. Thanks.
Wendy.
Sean.
Ay, ang ganda pala dito, no? Buti na lang sinamahan mo ko. Takutin naman kasi ako mag-isa eh.
Okay lang. Actually, medyo malapit yung apartment ko dito.
May bahay ka dito?
Yeah. Madalas kasi ako dito sa New York.
Naku, buti na lang ikaw talaga yung nakatabig sa eroplano. Salamat ah. Kasi naman yung tatay ko, bigla ang hindi ako masusundo eh.
So, dito ka niya imi-meet, diba?
Sabi niya, dun daw sa 96th Street. Sa bench lang daw, dun daw kami magkita.
96th Street. Ayan. Diyan lang.
Yun?
Yep.
Yun lang pala eh. O sige, okay na ako. Salamat ah.
You sure?
Oo, okay na. Caring-caring ko na to. Pwede mo na akong iwan. Sige na.
Okay.
Thank you.
Take care.
Wala namang rapist, kidnapper o ano dito, no? Mga snatcher, ganyan. Safe naman tong area.
It should be safe, and there's a lot of roaming policemen all around, so you should be fine.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay naman pala. O sige na, masyado na kita naabala, nakakaya na sa'yo. Okay na ako. Thank you.
No worries. Bye.
Bye. Paano pag nainip na ako? Mag-ikot-ikot ako, hindi ba ako maliligaw? Malaki ba tong Central Park?
You know, why don't I just, stay with you until your dad gets here?
Naku, nakakahiya naman. Wag na.
No, I insist.
Hindi na. Okay lang ako. Okay lang.
You sure?
Ay, kung mapilit ka, sige.
Come on.
Halika na. Thank you, ah.
You mean to say both your parents met at a construction site?
Oo nga. Kasi si Papi, electrician siya. Si Daddy naman, isa siyang pintor.
Aha.
Kaya nung nagkakilala sila, pareho silang paminta.
Paminta as in pepper?
Hindi yung ganung pepper. Paminta, ibig sabihin pamin. Pamin. O, pamacho. Papakalalaki, ganun.
Ay,
hindi. Ganito na lang. Closeta. Yan, para mas carry mo.
closet. Okay, closet gaze. Tama.
Mismo. Tama.